Good morning, students. Let us start grade 10, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Students, now we have solved some more word problems on the base of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. So our first problem is, in a triangle ABC, angle A is equals to x degree, angle B is equal to 3x minus 2 degree, and angle C is equals to y degree. But at the same time, angle C minus angle B is equals to 9 degree. We have to find three angles. So how we have to solve this question? You can see given angle A is equals to x degree, comma angle B is equals to 3x minus 2 degree, and angle C is equals to y degree. Also, angle C minus angle B is equals to what, guys? 9 degree. In case of triangle, we already know the sum angle property of the triangle, that is what? According to sum angle property, of triangle, we have these all three angles, angle A plus angle B as well as plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. That we already know. Now substitute our values. A is x degree, so I am writing x. The value B is 3x minus 2 degree, so I am writing as such. Then plus angle C is y degree is equals to 180 degree. So C further implies that x plus 3x is equals to 4x plus y I am writing is equals to 180 degrees, and this minus 2 goes to other side and becomes plus 2 degree. So finally, what we get, students, 4x plus y is equals to 182 degree, and this we can give an equation number 1. Second, angle C minus angle B is equals to 9 degree. Angle C, I am writing it, and angle C minus angle B is equals to 90 degree. This is given to us. So let us substitute the value of C. The value of C is, guys, y degree minus B is 3x minus 2 degree within the bracket is equals to 90. So let us solve this. Y degree minus 3x minus plus 2 degree further equals to 9 degree. So here is minus 3x plus y is equals to 9 degree minus 2 degree. So it only implies minus 3x plus y is equals to 7 degree, and let it be equation number 2. So guys, now we have two equations, that is linear equation in two variables, a part of linear equation in two variables. So let me solve these two equations. So let us solve equation 1 as well as equation 2. So I am writing equation number 1, 4x plus y is equals to 182 degree, and this is what, guys, minus 3x plus y is equals to 7 degree. See, if we go for subtraction, then all the signs are changed now. Y with plus minus means opposite signs cancel itself. 4x plus 3x, guys, is 7x, and it is equals to 182 minus 7, that is 175 degree. So all implies x is equals to 175 degree upon 7. Go for cancellation. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 3 5 35, 7 5 is 35. So guys, we are left with the value of x is equals to 25 degree. So this is our value of x. We have to find three angles. Now x value we get. So let us substitute this value. Somewhere we get the value of y. So put that x is equals to 25 in either in equation number 1 or 2, that is our choice. So I am substituting this in equation number in equation number 2. So I am putting equation number 2. So here is what minus 3, the value of x is 25 degree and plus y at the place is equals to 7 degree. So it implies students, this is what minus 75. So I am interested here for the y is equal to 7 degree plus this 25 is a 75 with negative sign. This negative 75 goes to other side, becomes positive 75, and we are left with the value of y 5 plus 7, 12 with 1 carry, and 7 plus 1 8. So our value of y, so I am writing here students the value of y is equals to 82 degree. Now students, we have the two values, that is x and y, but generally we are interested to find the values of angle A, angle B and angle C. So let us find the values of angle A, angle B and angle C. So I create here space guys. So I am substituting this part. See, angle A. What is angle A? Angle A is equals to x degree. So the value of x according to us is equals to 25 degrees. So I am writing 25 degrees. The value of angle B. Angle B is equals to what? 3x minus 2 degree. So it is equals to 3. The value of x is what? 25. I am substituting 25 degree minus 2 is equals to what? Here is 75 degree minus 2 and further equals to 73 degree. So finally angle B is equals to what guys? 73 degree. The last but not least, that is angle C. Angle C according to us is y degree and which is equals to 82 degree. So guys, finally we get our all values. Angle A is equals to 25 degree, comma angle B is equals to 73 degree and angle C is equals to 82 degree. We also have to check whether our answer is right or wrong. If we go to addition of these three angles, if the sum is 180 degree, so at that time we can see that our answer is right. So you can see that 82, 25 and 73. See, 8 into 10 is 1 10, 9 to 11, 11 plus 1 7, 18. So it means our answer is correct. So hope you understand this way how the question of angles we have to solve with the help of a linear equation in two variables. So let us solve next question. Our next question is also important according to your competitive as well as examination point of view. So what is this question? So let me speak this question. A wizard having powers of mystic incantations and a magical medicines seeing a court fight going on, spoke privately to both the owners of cocks. To one, he said, if your bird wins, then you give me a 2/3 of that. And going to the other, he promised in the same way to give 3/4 from both of them. He would gain only 12 gold coins. We have to find the stake money of each of the co-owners have. So let us start this question solution. We have two owners. So I am starting here. Let the stake money of first owner have. Let stake money of first owner is equals to x gold coins, and stake money and the money of second co-owner have is equals to y golden coins. Now you can see that this is the stake money earned by, this is the stake money having the co-owner 1 and as the co-owner second. So according to question, we have what given to us. So from the question we have to use the condition. He says to the second that you give me 3/4. What he says to the first one? If your bird wins, then you give me 2/3 of that. Going to the other, he promised in the same ways, means he says to that, if your bird wins, you give me 3/4. So according to question, that is what x minus 3/4 means guys. 3/4 4y, because this is the money, and the same time he gains 12 gold coins. He gained 12 gold coins, that we subtract and is equals to 12 gold coins. And the second one is what? Here is what? To 1. He said if your bird wins, then you complete 2/3 of that. 2/3 of that means second one is y minus 2/3 upon x, and the same time guys he also gained 12 gold coins and is equals to 12. So these are two equations. We have to solve these equations. So let me solve. See, I am writing here 1. I am writing here as well 1. I am taking the LCM is 4. So here is 4x minus 3y is equals to what? 12. It further implies 4x minus 3y is equals to this 4 goes to other side and multiply with 12. What we get guys? 12 into 4, 48, and let it be equation number 1. The second one is what? Here our LCM is 3. Our LCM is what? 3. So see, here is 3y minus 2x is equals to what? 12. By the same fashion, we have to take the denominator to other side and on multiplying with 12 we get 36. 12 3s are 36. So I am writing appropriate way, that is the x value I am writing very first, that is minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 36. So be careful students, whenever you shuffle your variables or numbers, so you have to concern with the signs. So you have to take the whole number with their present signs. Minus 2x, so I am writing minus 2x. Here is plus 3y, I am writing plus 3y. So now let it be equation number 2. So let us solve equation number 1 and 2. Let us solve equation 1 and 2. So this is 4x minus 3y is equals to 48. I am writing here minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 36. So see guys, what we have to do here, you can see if we go for addition, then 3y with positive, negative or opposite sign cancel each other. 4x minus 2x we are left with 2x is equals to, see, 8 plus 6, 14 with 1 carry, and here is what? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8, 84. So it further implies that x is equals to what? 84 upon 2. 84 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4. So what we get here, x is equals to 42. This is what? This is the value of x. Now we substitute this value, put x is equals to 42 either in equation number 1 or 2, that is your choice, but I am substituting equation number 1. So let me substitute 4. The value of x is 42 minus 3y is equals to what? 48. So on multiplication, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, minus 3y is equals to what guys? 48. So minus 3y is equals to 48 minus 168. So it implies that what we get here, minus 3y is equals to what? Minus 3y is equals to what? 168 minus 48. 8 minus 8, 0. And here is 16 minus 4, that is what? 5. With negative sign 120. Negative cancel itself. What we are left with implies y is equals to 3 goes to other side. 120 divided by 3, 40. We are left with 40. So now finally we have the value of x as well as y. Once we get the value of x and y, its simple meaning is what? We get the stake money of first co-owner as well as second co-owner. So students, I rub here a little because in order to create the space, I will rub this part guys. Hence, I am writing here hence stake money with first co-owner is equals to 40, that is equals to x according to us x, and the x value is 42. So 42 gold coins. 42 gold coins we have, and stake money with second cock owner. Stake money with second cock owner is equals to 40 gold coins. So this is the exact money he has. If you want to check your answer whether you are right and wrong, so very simple process we have. See, first is x minus 3/4y. If you find to check that x is x minus 3/4, the value of y is what, guys? Y is 40. The value of y is, second is what? Y is 40, and here is 12, and the value of x is what? 42. If you can solve this is 10. See, 42 minus 30 is equals to 12. So it means your answer is right. So hope you understand the way to solve this question. So students, try to solve the same questions at your home. So these are very important questions. So till then, bye bye everyone. Have a nice day.